Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to day 4 of coding. Hope you've enjoyed the work you've done so far with the Play Labs. Today, we're going to get into something called nested loops. I know you've done it before, but it's probably been a while. So today, you're going to finish all the lesson 11 activities, and there's quite a few of them. You can do numbers 1 through 13. So let's get started. Give that a moment to load up. Now, you see at the top here that you have activities lessons for lesson 11, you have activities 1 through 13, but number 3 is a video that kind of talks about nested loops and what they are. So first of all, let's just review loops. Here, you're going to, for some of these activities, you're going to control the bee going through a maze and either getting nectar at the flowers or making honey at the honeycombs. And then later on, you're going to be dealing with the zombie trying to get the flower, and you're going to have to avoid purple plants. So normally you would just have the bees facing to the right, so it just has to move forward. At the flower, get nectar. There's only the number 1 next to the flower, so I only need 1 of those blocks. Move forward again, and then get nectar. Now that code will work, but it's a better way. Instead, we can use the repeat block, and the trick is just looking for the pattern, which is right here. Move forward once, then it's move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. So really that sequence of blocks is being done 2 times. So there's really no need for those others. Okay. Now, that's just a standard use of a repeat block. You guys should have no problem with that. But what about a situation like this? Okay. So this first section right here, you just did. It was move forward and then repeat 2 times. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Right? And then once the bee gets here, it's going to have to turn right. And then it looks like we're doing the same thing. So let's just see what our code does so far. Okay, it's ready to do the next section. And the next section is the same. It's move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, turn right. And again, move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. And it could turn right at the end. It doesn't really matter. So instead of building all this code 3 times, what we can do is a nested loop. And we can just tell the computer to run it 3 times. And that saves us from having this 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so let's see it. I'm going to use a step function so you can see it here. So B moved forward. Now it's going to do this next section. It's going to move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar. And it'll turn right. Now at this point, when I click step button, it's going to call up all this again. It's going to go through this a second time. And then it's going to call it up a 3rd time. So those are nested loops. They're used quite a bit in coding. So enjoy these activities. Go through them carefully and make sure you read the directions for each one. That's going to be really important, okay? And make sure you watch this video. Now, one other thing I want to point out, as you get further along, you'll move away from the honeybee and you'll be dealing with the zombie. Now, the zombie, each one of these rectangles is moving forward 1 space, and you have to avoid these purple plants on the way to getting the sunflower. Now, pay attention. Sometimes there's a number here, like for here, move forward. In this activity, I can only use move forward once. So you're going to have to really make use of the repeat block to make it happen. Okay? All right, good luck. Enjoy nested loops today. Persevere, get through them, take your time, and I'll see you in a video tomorrow. Enjoy.